Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace old light switch with a brand new one. I bought light switch in Lowe's for $1.82 and a plate for light switch cost me 43 cents. But before working with electricity, make sure that you turn the electricity off in your electrical panel. And when the power is turned off, now you can remove screws from wall plate and start working on replacing your light switch. Now you can pull out the light switch and you can see there is a bare copper cable, white one, red one and black one. I bought an exact light switch in Lowe's and you can compare them now. They look exactly the same. I'm starting unscrewing bare copper cable and disattaching it from the light switch. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take pliers and make a hook a bit bigger. Then I'm gonna take a new light switch and connect copper bare wire to a green screw. Then unscrew white wire and attach it to a new light switch. So now I am unscrewing red wire and attaching it to the same place. And we have last wire left. It's a hot black one, and what we need to do is just screw it back into place. And when you attached all of the wires to the light switch, it is time to put the light switch inside of electrical outlet box. And now we need just to attach a wall plate to a light switch, and this is it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.